I fired my virtual assistant. Saved $2,000 a month. And honestly? My output went up. I know how that sounds. But here's the thing. Everything my VA did, emails, scheduling, research, content drafts, data entry, AI now handles all of it. Faster, cheaper, and available at 3 a.m. without overtime pay. Let me show you exactly how. First, here's what my VA was doing every week. Managing my inbox and drafting email replies. Scheduling meetings and coordinating calendars. Researching topics and summarizing articles. Writing first drafts of content. Pulling data and building reports. That was roughly 20 hours of work per week, at $25 an hour. Let's start with email. I used to get 80 to 100 emails a day. My VA would draft replies and I'd approve them. Now, AI reads every email, categorizes it, drafts a reply in my tone, and flags anything that needs my personal attention. I spend 15 minutes a day on email instead of 2 hours. Research was the big one. My VA would spend 3 to 4 hours compiling research on a topic, summarizing articles, pulling stats. Now I give AI a research brief, and in 5 minutes I have a structured summary with sources, key takeaways, and relevant data points. What took half a day now takes a coffee break. Content drafts. My VA would write rough outlines and first drafts. Good ones, too. But AI writes a full first draft in 90 seconds. Not a perfect draft, but a solid starting point that I can refine in 20 minutes instead of building from scratch. Scheduling. My VA managed my calendar back and forth. AI scheduling tools now handle this automatically. They read my availability, propose times, send invites, and even reschedule when conflicts come up. 0 emails back and forth. So here's the full breakdown after 30 days without a VA. Email time, down from 2 hours to 15 minutes per day. Research, down from half a day to 5 minutes per topic. Content drafts, down from 3 hours to under 30 minutes. Calendar management, fully automated. Total time saved, 18 hours per week. Money saved, $2,000 per month. Now, is AI perfect? No. It makes mistakes. You still need to review outputs. And there are tasks that genuinely need a human. Relationship management, nuanced judgment calls, anything requiring real empathy. But for the repetitive, process-driven tasks, AI wins every time. Here's how to start. Pick one task your assistant does most. Find an AI tool that handles it. Run them in parallel for 1 week. VA does it, AI does it, you compare. Once AI matches or beats the quality, shift that task over. Then repeat with the next task. You don't need to replace everything overnight. $2,000 a month. Back in my pocket. And more output than before. AI isn't replacing workers. It's replacing the work nobody actually wants to do. If you want to see the exact tools I use for each of these tasks, subscribe. I'm covering each one individually this week.